Okay guys, whew, very windy over here. Anyways, we are here basically in the middle of not really a desert, but there's, as you can see, there's nothing. But when there's nothing, there's these guys, you can see right there. Hey, they even have a UTVs right there. But that's not what we're gonna rent. We are gonna rent these bad boys right here. So let's go ahead, check in, and we can have some fun. Yes sir. Look at this mask. Where'd it go barefoot? Hey.
Go barefoot, man.
Alright, let's go.
It's pretty much just for our yard. If you guys go out there, see you guys' business. Just keep in mind, you guys signed away.
Alright guys, we're going. I think they're gonna show us how to work it.
Pretty much, they're all the same. The only difference is color.
Yeah, we'll just take the bus to her. Yeah, I think this one calls out to me. I'll use this one. Doesn't have a light or whatever, but hey. Alright, I'll sit beside you here, right here then. Wow, that was good. Oh my goodness, yo, that was just the start, man. My goodness, that was fun. Oh my gee. All right, here's my boy right here. All right, cool. Woo. All right, we're gonna start recording some shots before we you know, do anything else. All right. Whoa! Can we go down here?
Yeah.
show you how do we go, how do we go down. Well, this one's a little bit okay. Guys, actually I had to leave it behind because as you can see right here, I'm walking on sand, and the ATV is not made for sand. It's gonna bog down, and it won't be able to you know, get it out. But I'm just curious, you know, what the sand look like, at least here in Nevada, you know, in Vegas. So here it is. There you go. Close up look at this. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Look at look at my feet. It's like getting sucked in. My goodness. There you go, guys. Sheesh. Wow. And that's Vegas right there. That's where we rented the ATV. And that goes to Salt Lake City. And here, just a vast expanse of desert, as you can see. I wish the ATV was able to go, you know, in there into the sand, because I feel like that would have been fun, you know. But apparently this ATV cannot. So, and if we get stuck in sand, it's like a $750 fine, because they have to like get a special equipment or like a special car to tow it. So yeah, that's why I'm walking. I don't want it to get stuck. So anyways, let's go back to the trail and enjoy the rest of the time that we're here. Let's go. Hey, I think that's my boy right there. I think that's our boy. I think that's our boy right there. Yo, what's up? Yeah, I went to the sands, bro. What? I went up there. Yeah, I went. There's one stuff down there. Alright guys, we have just finished the ATV. Oh my goodness, that was so good. This is where we went guys. I don't know, as usual 360 can't really zoom in, but right there, went all the way there, and we even went to the sands over there. Oh my goodness, that was so good guys, that was so good. Well, we are tired, so we're gonna go ahead and look for a place to eat, and then we're gonna continue on with the journey. Hope you guys like the montage there. And here's the good old car that we have rented, still in peak condition. Now we're gonna continue on with the journey. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.